Hi everybody, today I will show you how to add borders in Google Sheets. Let's begin. So I've got this table here and I want to add borders to it. First, select the cells where you want to add the border. So I will select these cells. Now, up in the toolbar, you can see there's an option saying borders here, just to the right of fill color. Click on that and a menu drops down with different border options. If you just want a border around the outside of your whole selection, simply choose this one, that is outer border. So this just added an outer border to my selected cells. Now, if you want borders around every individual cell inside your selection, simply select your cells, click on the border option and choose this option, that is all borders, and it will instantly add borders to every single cell in the selected area. So this one draws lines around each cell so everything is clearly separated. Now, you can also apply borders to just a specific part of your table. For example, if you only want borders around the header row, you can select header, click on this option and select all borders, and borders will be added to your header only. So that's how you add borders in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.